Good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. Today it's a Sunday, it's the second week of June in the year 2020 and we are still fully in the MCO, what we call in Malaysia the MCO, the Movement Control Order, because of the coronavirus. Luckily, slowly we are getting out of the lockdown, which is great. Malaysia has been doing very well in the last couple of weeks, and it slowly starts to happen, which we're all very happy about, that we are getting back to a little bit of our normal lives again. For instance, going to the hairdresser has not been easy in the last 10 weeks. There were no hairdressers. So probably I'm going to try and get a haircut today. Yesterday, late in the evening, there was a courier service that rang my doorbell and ding, 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 another package came in. So I saw this one. It is by a company called UCAS. You deserve better, and I think we all agree. Buying online sometimes can be challenging, but here, on this side, it states lightning fast shipping, and I agree, because this package comes all the way from Taiwan and was here in 48 hours. So thanks to UCAS, awesome job. So now let's see what's inside. I'm going to do that like this. I have a little bit of a different setup today as normal. You are looking at, okay. I had no idea what was in the package, but now I do. I ordered two USB Wi-Fi, I wouldn't call it, would you call it a router? I don't think it's called a router. It's just to receive Wi-Fi signal into your computer. But it should be a plug-and-play system. So this is the more expensive one, because from the other one I ordered two, and this is only one box. So let's open this up. Good sound, that's always good. And this one cost me in total, let me just quickly check. This one is yes, 57 ringgits. Okay, including, no, sorry, 67 ringgits. I'm not wearing my reading glasses today. 67 ringgits. The total was 71 and they deducted some. No, sorry, the total is 71 ringgit and 50 cents. Here it says, it's there. Okay, 71 ringgit 50 cents, which comes down to about $15 US. It's a brand, TP-Link. It's a AC600. And it's a dual band USB adapter. As you know, many of your routers at your house are either 5G or 2.4G. So this is dual band, will receive both, and let me put this here, and it's 433 megabits at 5G and 200 megabits at 2.4G. So later we're going to be testing this, and I'm going to stick it into my laptop. I'm going to unlock I'm going to lock the normal USB, the normal Wi-Fi selector from my laptop. I'm going to stick this in. I want to see if it's really plug and play, or do I have to change anything in the settings. Then I'm also going to do a quick speed test on the standard setting in the laptop and on with this one. I will try to do the same with computers as well. I have a computer here that has no Wi-Fi. I can only stick it in a LAN cable. So what I will do is I will try this one as well and do a speed test with it. All right, let's see. Let's open this one up. You probably noticed that I'm not completely awake yet. I had a very good long sleep last night, and this was my first job for the day, so let's get this cracking. Okay, the box is open, and there is some stuff inside. And the good stuff is, it was sold to me as a plug and play. However, it comes with a drive. So that's, to me, is not plug and play. Plug and play means there is software installed on the little device that should be taking care of this. But let's not assume, because there might be some other software on this as well. But I think there is a driver here, and if you call an item plug and play, then it should be plug and play and not install software as well. But maybe I'm assuming now, so let's go do the test first. Let me further see anything that's on the box that would have of your interest. Nothing too much. There's a lot of information on how to, in principle, how to set it up, and it compares the different angles, so you can change the angle of the antenna, and it tells you a little bit of what it does. Okay, good. So the CD is inside the box. Further, there is a little manual with the box. Oh, they're called wireless USB adapters. That slipped my mind. And then there is a little antenna with a USB stick. And it's all nicely plastified, so I can see if I can take it off later. I think I need a knife to get that off. Yes, it's very sticky plastic that sits on top of this, so it's not easy like to slide it off at all. Never mind, I'll get it off before I start using it. Let me stick it into my laptop first. I'll give you the speed tests, and then I'll stick it into a computer, and I'll give you the speed test then. So I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, so just now I have tried to install the USB wireless adapter in my laptop. However, that didn't work. I personally think it has a conflict between the original built-in wireless adapter. So there is a conflict between the built-in wireless adapter and the USB wireless adapter. I didn't really manage to overcome that. So and today I will look into it further somewhere later this week. If it's interesting, I will stick this into another video because it's important, I think. However, I want to get this video out as soon as possible. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a test on one computer, and that's a computer I've been currently using. The screen you're looking at this moment is with my LAN cable attached to my computer, and the USB wireless connector, wireless adapter has not been plugged in yet. So I'm going to test that now. A nice ping of only 9 milliseconds. Normally I have a ping of about 14 to 15 milliseconds here, and I can even see that the speed is quite nice. I have to admit, in the last couple of weeks the speed was terrible here. So I had download speeds of even down to 50 and 80 megabits. So 385 is content for me, and my upload speed currently would be around 215, 220, 215. Okay, so this is the result with the LAN cable. Okay, so I have just unplugged my LAN cable, and on the front side of the USB I unplugged some of the charging cables I normally have for my mobile devices, and I stuck in the USB Wi-Fi adapter. And if we check on the networks available, we can see that the 5G has been connected, and the 2.4G is also connected, which is awesome. It is plug and play. So my assumption earlier that they delivered a disk with it is probably for if you have an older machine or maybe an older Windows version where this would not be automatically installed. So thank you DP-Link, that is very good. It's just really plug and play. Stick it in the USB and your Wi-Fi is working. So now let's see the actual speed test. We're going to refresh the speed test first. I think that's good. And we are connected to the same TM. TM is Telecom Malaysia link, the 2515, and also the same INNet. So let's go and see what it does. It has a good ping of 11, and that's not too bad. The download speed, of course, is logically is lower than with the LAN cable, but 90 megabits, I'm okay with that. and then we're going to do another upload speed test, and the upload speed is 190. I think I can't remember the exact number, I didn't write them down, but I think it was 385 megabits download with the others, with the LAN cable, and upload 220 or 215. So upload is not far off of the actual standard with the LAN cable, and then the download speed has quite radically decreased. But don't forget, this is a Wi-Fi signal, and I'm very, very chuffed with this. So just plug and play. If you have no Wi-Fi or whatever reason your LAN cable is not working or broke, you stick in this device and immediately you have Wi-Fi. Thank you very much, DP-Link. So that was quite a good result. I like that. The speed of the standard LAN was 385, but it dropped down to 92 when I was using the Wi-Fi USB adapter. And the standard on the LAN cable was 220 upload and 197 upload on the USB stick Wi-Fi adapter, which I think is quite exceptional. Much better results than I've ever had before. I'm sure that if you've ever used a USB Wi-Fi adapter, sometimes they don't have an antenna, and this one has a large antenna, which I like. Sometimes they are very tiny little pieces of equipment you put into a USB sticks, and I have to admit, if you don't sit next to your router, then they will work, but if you don't sit directly next to your router, you step away 5 to 10 meters, you're gone. So currently this antenna is approximately 5 to 6 meters away from the router and in a different room, so there's a concrete building, in between, the concrete walls in between as well. So I think I'm happy with this result. I'm very happy. For $15 to have a device like this that can help you out when your LAN cable fails and you just stick it in, plug and play, and you have USB Wi-Fi on your device. So thanks again, DP-Link, and thanks to the company that delivered this so fast. Very good. Okay, I see you at the next one. Thanks a lot. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.